I know some of you might think this sounds a bit old school, talking about making money online with Fiverr in 2024. But honestly, this is how I make my first dollar online. And I can't deny how legit this method is until today. The Fiverr platform is not just a side hustle to me anymore. It becomes a full-time career when I approach it correctly. While platforms like social media require you to nurture your audience before you selling any products or service, Fiverr offers a more direct approach. If you can't wait to make your first sales online, Fiverr is a fantastic way to start. Simple and effective. You don't need to wait months to see results. In today's video, I will show you how you can use Canva and Fiverr together to make money online. If you are new to Fiverr and Canva, don't worry, I will walk you through it all. So whether you want to make a few extra bucks or start a full-blown side hustle, this video is right for you. Please stick around until the end of this video as I will discuss how to overcome the struggle of not getting any sales on Fiverr as well. Whether you are just starting out or you have been on Fiverr for a while, this tip will make all the difference in boosting your success. First, let's quickly go over Fiverr. It's a freelance platform where you can sell services known as gigs. Start from $5, but don't let that fool you. People are making way more than $5 for their services. What makes Fiverr great for beginners is that you don't need years of experience or a huge portfolio. You can get started with simple skills and build from there. Next, how does Canva fit in? Canva is an amazing design tool that make it easy to create professional designs, even if you are not a designer. This is perfect for Fiverr gigs like creating social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, logo, business cards, and so much more. So now let's discuss about top Fiverr gigs that you can do with Canva. Social media management. Social media management is a highly in-demand gigs on Fiverr. It involves more than just posting content for your clients. You can offer services like designing content calendar, creating Instagram posts, and even editing social media video. This gig is perfect for individuals interested in social media and understanding how social media works. If you are offered as a social media manager, you can earn a stable and high annual income. And with the rise of platforms like Instagram and TikTok, the demand for these services is skyrocketing. To stand out, consider specializing in a particular social media platform or style. For example, you could focus on a trendy Instagram aesthetic design. If you are creative and you love social media, this is a high opportunity field to dive into. Business presentations and pitch decks. Business presentations, particularly pitch decks, are necessary for any business startup and also for companies seeking investors. Even though creating presentations is straightforward, the potential for earning is huge. With Canva, creating visually stunning pitch decks is easier than ever. You can use pre-made templates or design from scratch, tailoring them to your client's needs. And you can charge premium rates if you specialize in specific industries such as real estate or when you're offering unique design. Businesses are always looking for quality pitch decks, so offering this as a specialized service on Fiverr can help you build a steady stream of clients. Ebook creations or lead magnets. Creating ebooks and lead magnets is another gig with excellent potential in Fiverr. Canva's customizable templates make designing professional-looking ebooks for authors, bloggers, or business really simple. Lead magnets such as checklists, guides, or templates are crucial for businesses to capture email leads, and many companies are willing to pay someone to design for them. By specializing in creating visually appealing ebooks or lead magnets, you can carve out profitable niche. Businesses need those tools to grow their email lists and establish authorities in their industry. So the demand is steady and growing. Editable Canva videos. Editable Canva videos are an easy gig for beginners and experts. With Canva video editing features, you can create simple, customizable video templates for social media, ads, or presentations. This service is crucial to influencers, businesses, and marketers who need consistent branding across their content. Canva drags and drop functionality allows you to design animate video, add music, and customize text or element, making it perfect for those without complex video editing experience. Offering this as a Fiverr gigs can lead to consistent orders, especially with the rise of video content across all the social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Canva website design. Canva new website design features allow freelancers to offer website design gigs to clients who need simple, clean, and effective website. While these designs are ideal for portfolio sites, blogs, or small businesses, the ability to customize and make them unique will set your gig apart. Offering website design service with Canva is especially beneficial for clients who want an easy-to-maintain website without hiring a professional web developer. It's a high-demand gig, especially among small businesses owners, bloggers, or content creators who are looking for a budget-friendly yet stylish web design. Logo design. Logo design is one of the most popular gigs on Fiverr, and with Canva, you can easily create unique professional logos. Canva's extensive template library lets you drag and drop elements, customize fonts, and change the color, which make it perfect for crafting personalized logo for small businesses or entrepreneurs. Many businesses are looking for affordable, quick logo design solutions, and Canva user-friendly interface allows deliver high-quality logos in no time. While the competition is high, focusing on a specific niche or industry can help you stand out and attract more clients that demand for logo. Image background removal. Image background removal is one of the most straightforward gigs you can offer on Canva. Despite the rise of AI tools like remove.bg, there's still a significant demand for manual background removal services, especially for high-quality images needed by e-commerce stores. This kit is easy to deliver and can be completed quickly with Canva's background removal tools. It's particularly lucrative for businesses that need clean product image or online store. While the market may get saturated with automated tools, there's still a strong demand for manual work, making it a good option for starting. Once you have decided what service to provide and create a design using Canva, head over to Fiverr and set up your gig. It's super simple. You will need to write a compelling gig's title, add the descriptions, and upload images for your design to showcase your work. Ensure you are clear about what you offer. For example, I will create customizable Canva website design. You can offer different packages for your gig. For instance, a basic package might include one design, while premium package could offer multiple designs with more customizations. This is where you can start earning more money on Fiverr. Anyway, to success on Fiverr, there are a few tips for setting up a high-converting Fiverr gigs using Canva. Number 1, creating a strong portfolio. First, use Canva to build a strong portfolio that showcases your best work. Your portfolio is like a digital resume for clients to see what you can do. So make sure to include a variety of designs, customize each project to highlight different skills, showing potential clients that you are capable. Number 2, choosing your service. Before diving into design, decide on the specific service you will offer on Fiverr. To gain a competitive edge, research your competitor on Fiverr. Look at successful gigs in your niche and analyze what works, whether it's pricing, gigs, image, or descriptions. Then tailor your gigs to stand out while offering something unique. Number 3, offer multiple gigs. Don't limit yourself to just one gig. Instead, offer several gigs to increase your chances of getting orders. For example, along with logo design, you can also offer YouTube thumbnail creations, business card design, or even social media templates. Each of these can be easily designed with Canva, and offering multiple services allow you to tap into different markets on Fiverr, which means you have more opportunity to search by your potential clients. Number 4, tailor your gigs for different niches. If you're focusing on a particular niche, like social media management, tailor your gigs image to reflect that. Canva is a great tool for adding relevant icon and text to your gig image. Make it clear that what you are offering. For example, If your gig is about managing social media account, you can use Canva to include platform logo like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook in your design. This makes it instantly recognizable for potential clients. Also, considering adding a personal touch like including your own photo to make your gig feel more trustworthy. Personalizations can set you apart from competitors who use generic image. Number 5, optimize your keywords. Make sure to optimize your gig's title and descriptions with relevant keywords. Think of the terms that client might search for, such as Canva design, logo creations, social media templates. By using the right keywords, you will increase the visibilities of your gigs and make it easier for your potential clients to find you when they search the service on Fiverr. Number 6, respond quickly to clients. Fiverr rewards freelancers who respond quickly to inquiries. So, it's important to reply potential clients as soon as possible. Being responsive not only improves your search ranking on Fiverr, but it will also help you build a trust with your clients. If they see that you quick to respond, they are more likely to hire you. Number 7, get your reviews and rating. Reviews and rating are crucial for attracting clients on Fiverr, especially when you are just starting out. People often hesitate to work with someone with no reviews. So, considering asking friends or earlier clients to leave a few 5-star review, this initial boost can make a big difference in attracting your first few clients. Once you start getting reviews, always aim for excellent service to maintain a high rating. So, by following these tips, you can set up a high-converting Fiverr gigs that stand out from your competitor. Now, let's discuss how to overcome the struggle of not getting sales on Fiverr. Choose high-value niche. If you're not making at least $1,000 per month on Fiverr, it's time to rethink your approach. The first step is to choose a high-value niche. Don't just pick a popular service, but focus on one where you can charge higher rates. For instance, a website designer can charge $500 per project, while a logo designer offers deals with $10 gigs due to heavy competitor. Target niche where you can charge $80 to $100 per service, even if you are in a low price category. Package your service smartly, like offering monthly subscriptions deals to lock in a steady income. Create eye-catching gigs. On Fiverr, standing out is key. Don't blend in by copying top sellers. Instead, be better. Most gigs, like in logo design, look identical. Differentiate by using video. Fiverr allows you to upload video, so take advantage of the videos. Create the videos where you can personally speak to potential clients. Introduce yourself and explain what sets you apart. A detailed, engaging gigs descriptions is crucial. Be clear about your experience, process, and what client can expect. The more you stand out with these elements, the more likely clients will choose you and the more you can charge. Delivery exceptional service. Once you land an order, provide exceptional service to secure 5-star feedback. Rating matters. Rating below 5-star hurt your ranking, and under 4-star is a red flag in Fiverr. If a client gives you a low rating, don't hesitate to reach out and resolve the issue. Clear communications and fast problem solving can turn negative experience into positive ones. Happy clients lead to repeat business and referrals. Both is essential to grow your Fiverr income. Use a smart pricing strategy. When starting, you can't charge top-tier price right away. Build your profile by offering low-price gigs to attract clients. Once you accumulate 15 to 20 positive reviews, increase your rates. For example, you might start with $5 gigs to get initial orders. Once you have a solid foundation, charge maybe hundreds for fewer orders but with much higher earning. It's all about balancing volume and value. So you work less but earn more. Maximize earning with extras. Upselling is an easy way to boost earning. Don't just offer basic package. Add options for extra services. For example, if you are a video editor, offer fast delivery, subtitles, or additional editing service. These upsells can turn 100 order into 200 jobs. Enhance the client's experience and increase your average orders value without significantly adding to your workload. Diversify your offering. Expand into different Fiverr categories to increase visibilities. Don't limit yourself if you are a video editor. For instance, offer service like social media videos, video ads, or UCG content. This strategy exposes you to different types of clients, increasing your chances of getting more and more orders. More gigs means more opportunity for your income in Fiverr. So, by focusing on these few points, you can break through the sales and build a sustainable, thriving freelance business on Fiverr with your Canva. And there you have it. That's how you can start make money on Fiverr using Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and more ways to make money online with Canva. Also, you may drop a comment below if you have any questions or you have tried Fiverr before. I'd love to hear your experience as well. That's all for today. Happy creating and happy designing.